guys, welcome back to my channel. Of course, I forgot to do a little intro to today's vlog, but I'm really excited. I actually did like a little pack with me. I shared with you guys the girls trip that we did to Canmore, which was for my friend Tina's birthday, and I got lots of footage, so I thought that'd be fun. It's almost like a little travel vlog. We went up to the mountains, so you'll see that in today's video. But if you guys haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Lifestyle, decor, beauty, a little bit of mommy content, lots of vlogs. Love for you guys to join the fam, and there is also a little giveaway in today's video as always, and I'm gonna roll right in. Good morning. I've got my iced coffee right now. I just dropped the girls off at daycare and I'm about to be on my way. I'm driving up to Canmore, meeting my girlfriends for my friend's birthday. I haven't finished packing, but I thought I would, since I'm in a bit of a rush, I would show you guys what I brought once I get out there. And it's a really cute like little Airbnb, so I'll do like a little tour for you. And I basically have like all the garage stuff I just bought, which I do have a haul. I did like a little ASMR version, so I don't know if I'm gonna put that clip in or if I'm gonna just like show you everything, but since I've packed a lot, I'll probably just show like a little clip here of the ASMR that I did. But I really found cute stuff there. Like I haven't shopped there in years, and they just had a lot of like really nice colors and loungy type clothes and shorts, so I got that. I love these skirts from Aritzia. They're just so comfortable. And then I got the jean shorts right there. I have one fancy outfit that I'm bringing because we do have reservations at a really nice steakhouse in the mountains, which I went actually for my birthday, so we're going there. So I brought this dress, and then I've got like a lot of like white tank tops and all that stuff, that new sweater that I got. So yeah, that's basically all this stuff. I haven't finished packing like my makeup yet. I thought I would do that quickly, then show you guys everything that I am bringing. I don't know why, like I was gonna pack yesterday, then I was like, no, I'll just do it in the morning, and then of course I'm behind. So coffee though is helping. I am just about to pack fragrances, but I wanted to show you the ultimate fragrance summer scent. So I spray this. This is actually really nice. I spray it like all over my body. I know I've talked about it a lot. So this plus Gucci Flora, and of course it could be like a spring or summer scent. This is like one of my favorite fragrances. And then also this hair oil. So I put this into, it's got a really nice scent. These three here are just like a must. Perfect trio for summer. I'm obsessed. And then right here, I also have all these little glow recipes that I got from Sephora, which are also so great for travel. I'm going to be bringing these, and I'm going to go downstairs because I'm still packing and I have to go, but I'm going to show you guys how I pack my pink cooler that I have with like all our drinks and stuff. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to finish packing up my makeup. I think I'm going to bring this and my travel case since I'm bringing skincare and hair care and makeup. But yeah, I'm going to finish up this, and then of course when I get there I will share with you guys everything that I brought. Okay, so I did get a package in the mail from Too Faced. It was just outside, so I might as well just open it really quickly with you guys. Card right here, so it looks like it's the Makeup Insurance Longwear Setting Spray. Ooh, I can bring this up with me. Yes. Okay, I just got, I think this is a new product by Too Faced because I definitely haven't seen it before. So Makeup Insurance 18-hour wear longwear setting spray, blue light defense. I am going to bring this with me because I don't actually have a setting spray. I haven't used a setting spray in forever. So that's what it looks like. I will test it out and let you guys know how this works, but you will see it with all my other makeup and things I'm bringing. Okay, I am running a little bit behind, so I'm gonna just show you guys the cooler really quick. So it's Kalani Sports. I think Ryan, I think they're in either Canadian Tire or Home Depot. I can't remember which store it is, or maybe both, but it's someone that Ryan used to play hockey with, owns this company, but like, look how cute this is. I'm obsessed. I love it. It's my summertime drinks cooler, and then I'm gonna bring that. And then also I've got my white diaper bag, but I use it for a backpack anytime I travel, and then my pink suitcase. So I'll show you everything that I brought once I get there. I have made it. I wanted to show you guys a little quick tour before we get ready for like dinner and stuff. We're just sitting out on the little deck right there, but this place is so cute, and we're in Canmore, which isn't far from where I live. It's about an hour drive. There's wine Look at this. And we actually booked at the restaurant that I went to for my birthday. So it's a steakhouse up at the top of the mountains. It's like a golf course. It's beautiful. I went there, I want to say 2 years ago. Or was it a year ago? Might have been a year ago. But this is our kitchen right here. And it's like in a newer development, which I'll show you guys outside. There's still like construction and stuff. But this is going to be such a nice area. Like I'd actually love to take the girls here. I think they'd really like it. And it's Alexis's cousin's Airbnb. So we've got lots of snacks. Steffi got lots of snacks. My favorite. And then Tina got pickles because she knows I love pickles. So that's in the fridge right there. The O-Snaps are my favorite right here. And then we got lots of drinks. There's bottles of wine. And we'll probably just snack before we go to dinner. And then I brought this. You guys know. Can't live without my iced coffee. And we also, well, I haven't unpacked yet, so I will do that a little bit after. We have a nice little round table right here. And look at the lights in the ceiling. It's so nice and very, very Canmore. We've got the couch over here. And I think the girls were watching the OC last night on the TV. Fireplace. Very cozy. I think this place would be really nice in the winter time too. And then you can kind of see outside there. I'll show you at the master bedroom quickly. What's like a nice little eating nook too for breakfast. I like the marble. We've got little island chairs as well. So this is the bathroom right here. I think Tina was just doing her hair. And my suitcase, so I'm actually gonna bring this over here and unpack it. This is the room right here, and it's super nice. I love the bed frame. And just the way they furnished it is really nice. So I have my diaper bag right there. I haven't unpacked yet, so I'm gonna do that in a little bit. The girls are just on the, oh, and I love the door. The front door is so nice too. So I got these. I did like a little video on Instagram and I got them on Amazon. They're really, really cute. They're like sparkly too. So that'll be nice for drinks. And then I brought this for water, just my pink cup. I brought sunscreen and some toothpaste. And out here, I was just snacking on a salad, kale salad right there, but this is the outside. You guys can see the mountains. You want to say hello? Hello. We're super nice. You can see they're still working on some of the units and like there's a little bit of construction, but it's super pretty and quiet. More mountains over there. And then right here, this little nook. This is so cute. I love this. This is really nice. And yeah, that is little Canmore tour where I'm going to be for the next 2 nights. I think I'll get ready with you guys too, actually, when I'm getting ready for our dinner. And that could be for today's video. Oh yeah, there's like a closet right here too, so you can like hang your coats and stuff. This would be really nice to bring the girls. And they do have stuff for kids as well. So I'm like, this is such a nice unit and it's so close to us. Has everything like dishwasher, microwave, stove. So yeah, I just wanted to show you this little tour quickly. It's always so fun to see like Airbnbs or just like where people are staying. But yeah, I'm excited for a little girls trip. Is. Okay, wanted to quickly show you guys what I brought. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so I brought a lot of makeup cases. So I'm here for 2 nights, but I packed for like 5. I thought I would show you guys because I know I was going to be filming. We're going to be going to dinner soon. I'm not sure if I'm going to get ready with you guys. I haven't really figured that out yet because we're still just hanging out here. But okay, so I brought this makeup case right here, THANIAS. And I brought lots of goodies, like so many things. My favorite spray, oops. My favorite spray right here. And then I also brought this body lotion that I've been using. Close this door quickly. And I have my wine right here. We've been drinking some wine and having a girls' night. Summer Fridays, I've been wanting to try this out, so I did bring it with me. You know what? I am gonna get ready after. They have a really nice long mirror right here and we can get ready together. Summer Fridays, I'm gonna use that tonight actually. We're going to a nice steakhouse. I brought my hair oil, which I've been really liking. I actually put it on my body too. It's really nice on your legs. I brought this, the makeup insurance that I just got from Too Faced. I brought some clips with me for my hair. I brought Orbe shampoo and then Ren cleansing gel my mist right here, Glow Recipe, Biosense Repair Cream. I just brought like some sample size stuff because I feel like honestly this is the nicest stuff to bring when you're traveling, just small things. And then I also have the Jaclyn Hill concealer that I got from I think like Winners or something. And then I brought like eye cream right here, Summer Fridays, and some other makeup. What do I have in here? This is my original makeup case that I really like to use for like skincare and stuff. I brought my shaver. I have my, this is like my all-time favorite cleanser right now. It's a foam cleanser by Vivier. And then also the Illuminaire Hydrolite Moisturizer. I put this in a pad wrapper. So funny, but I didn't want it to leak. It looks like it's fine though. The Clinique Take Off the Day Eye Makeup Remover. I've got some Tylenol because I feel like you always need that when you're on a mom's trip. So I have that, and then, okay, let's just kind of put everything back. Or actually, I brought this for Tina. She loves this, the Glow Recipe Dewdrops, so I'm gonna give this to her for her birthday, and also I was gonna treat her for dinner tonight. And then also, I brought this. You guys know I don't go anywhere without my sponges, and it's got like a little stand, so I go like that for the bathroom after. I brought this for my hair. That'll be nice. I'll show you guys from a different angle, but I brought like lots of like white tops and just like tops that I can wear with jean shorts. So yeah, there's lots there. Little pink tank top, blue one, and then this was the dress I think I'm gonna wear tonight. I've worn this a bunch of times, but it's got like the slit in the middle here, and it's a nice like slim dress. So I'll wear this, and then I brought like a blazer. Ooh, and I brought my new joggers. They're so comfy. Where is it? Oh, and I brought jeans too. Got jeans. Brought my curler. This is honestly my favorite hair curler, the Infinity Pro by Canmore. It's just amazing. Like beach waves. I love it. It's such a nice curler. I'm using my phone right now because my camera battery is low and I still have to film after, but I wanted to show you guys, this is the cardigan that I plan on wearing after. It's a little hard to see, but I think I'm going in with the beige and the cream tones tonight. And then I just brought like pajamas and some shirts and stuff like that. Again, I will link the inserts down below. I usually link them in every single travel video I do because they're just so handy. One of my favorite things to travel with. And I just showed you guys, I like made a mess of our bed here, but I showed you all of the makeup and skincare that I brought. So we are going to be getting ready soon. I'll be back here soon. Boom, boom. Want you in my room. Okay, all done getting ready. I did kind of like a glamour makeup, and I'm wearing this Aritzia dress. We are going for dinner right now. I just have to put my blazer on, and my camera, or not my camera, my camera battery died as usual. I didn't bring my backup, so yeah, but I'll get footage on my phone, obviously. I've just been using my phone if that happens, and I'll get footage from the restaurant we're going to. We're going for like a nice steak dinner. I'm excited for the cocktails, though. They should probably have nice ones there. Last time I went there was for my birthday, my 30th birthday. It's pouring rain, actually. It is pouring outside. I don't know if you guys can see that or hear that. But yeah, we are just hanging out here. Then we're gonna go to dinner, and I will see you guys in a bit. I'm gonna have the giveaway winner from the last vlog I did on screen right here. It was for Tanya's collection, her gorgeous makeup case, and then also the Tanya brushes right here. I feel like I haven't done a baby doll giveaway in a while, which is like my favorite brush set, you guys. It's so beautiful, 15-piece right here. This is the box, which of course I like to display and keep. So I'm gonna be giving away a baby doll brush set, and all you guys have to do, I have a good one. Okay, so what is your most memorable trip you've ever been on, and why? That's what you gotta leave down in the comments, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I know that it was kind of more of like a travel vlog, but again, I haven't been home this week that much. It's been really busy. I've been just out and getting things done. So obviously I think for maybe Monday's video, I'll be able to have a little clean with me in my closet, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. And of course, I will see you guys on Monday.